Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 17th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir, nice big move today. So we closed up 53 cents, that 4.50%, closed at 12.32. Post market, we are down 7 cents. That's reasonable. Look at this here. So we broke 1194. We broke 1194 like we did March 1st and also March 2nd. So we broke 1194, but we did not break 1232. The next resistance that we need to take a look at is 1237. Sorry, 1237. This is important because this is a resistance that was a support. Look at this here. It was a support around January 27, 28, February 3rd and 4th, and then became a resistance on February 17th and so on. So this is a really important resistance also. So basically, we were in a double resistance kind of thing, 1194 and 1237. And look at how perfect this is. We closed right smack on 1237. Let's go briefly on the 1 hour chart before looking at our indicators. The break of 1194 came during the first hour. First hour, clean break. Then second hour, just like Tesla, we had a pullback down and then things recovered pretty quickly. And from that point on, things were going up. And look at this perfection, how perfectly closed it stopped at 1237. So I like to see this here. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic at 57. So we are so super close to get our stochastic over 60. So if tomorrow we go above 1237, stochastic should be over 60, and that would be our signal. My signal. This is not financial advice, so it's my signal. It's not your signal. My signal to go back in. To Palantir. Yeah, it does not mean that it's going to go necessarily sky high super fast, but it means that we have reached the bottom and now we are coming back out of the slump that we were in. So nice day for Palantir. So I can't wait to read the comment in the comment section below. Palantir to the moon. MACD crossed over bullish. We still had that. And look at RSI is still trending up, and RSI is also closing above 50. So that's nice. DMI, which is a very conservative indicator, it likes to wait for everything to be perfect to change to green. This is why we keep him here. So this is like our grandpa. So if grandpa says it's okay, it's because it has been okay for a while. But it's nice to have his okay also. So we see the green line of the DMI. The green line is increasing. The green line shows the bullishness in the stock. The red line shows the bearishness, and you see how the bearishness is coming down and the bullishness is coming up. And when these two cross, then we have magic. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. This will encourage me. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.